too. It'll say, subject line, and then it'll have like a little URL. That's why you always want to make sure that your subject lines are very benefit driven, because you got to think about where it's going. It's going in their inbox. All they're going to see is your subject line first. It's going to their Twitter account. All they're going to see is your subject line. So that subject line is key. Make sure you're using that at the resources URL I gave you guys, liztomey.com/bootcamp resources. Those subject line templates are killer, and there's 20 different ones there. So that's about all we're doing with the social marketing. We're on LinkedIn. We have a ning.com social media group. I've got a lot of people in there. We all post videos in there. Everybody writes articles for my little social media group. There's tons of content in there, and it's all got my links, my profile stuff, everything in there.
Teleseminars. I usually just use teleseminars to my list. Now what I'm doing is I'm packaging those teleseminars that I've done or those webinars into products. And I already talked to you and showed you some examples of when myself and another marketer, or just myself and the microphone itself, and I'm talking to other people, or I'm just alone, and we're going through a list of the top 9 things to do to whatever, and then create a product out of that. What all do you do with teleseminars?
Now, teleseminars is a big part of my high-ticket strategy. When I want to get people into my coaching programs that are $1,500, $2,000, and now we've got one that's coming out that's $5,000. What I've done is I've gone to my joint venture partners and told them, hey, here is your script. This is what we're going to do on this teleseminar. So basically, I have the entire teleseminar scripted out. They have their script. They read where their name is. Hi, welcome to the call. I've got Liz Tomey on the phone here. She's going to be telling us about yada, yada, yada. And I say, well, thank you so-and-so for having me on the phone today. I've got a great message to share with your visitors. And then I go into basically what I've gone to on stage, but I'm doing it via a teleseminar or a webinar. They're interchangeable. A webinar, the only difference, teleseminar is all on the phone. A webinar, you can see the person's screen. And I'll go through like a PowerPoint presentation. And at the end, I'll do a close where I go through basically what I'm teaching in the program, then I go, now, if you would like me to do that program with you, hold your hand and walk you through it, come into my coaching program. It's a great, great way to get people buying from you, and it's not everybody's using that strategy. Hardly anybody is. I think out of our little group, there's maybe me and 3 or 4 other people that actually hold like teleseminar type style sell systems like that. It's not just sending out emails, go buy this, go buy this. It's get on the phone with us. We got some really killer information to share with you. And it's a bonding experience too. So when I'm up here with you guys feel like you really know me now. You guys feel like you probably, because of the way I'm like this, you probably feel like you've known me for all your life, especially with all you know about me now. So on these teleseminars, I'm the same. Well, this is the way I am every day. But on these teleseminars, how personable I am comes through. And people go, wow, I like her. She's nice. I'm going to do this. I'm going to join her coaching program. And it's because that my personality, the way I am, comes through. And it makes it easier for me to get that sale and get those people into my coaching programs. I call it a traffic tactic because it really brings traffic in. When somebody emails out to their list, hey, I'm getting on the phone with Liz Tomey tonight. You guys can come on. There's going to be a Q&A session at the end. Everybody's like, cool. So they get on the phone. It's like phone traffic. That's how I'm using them. SEO, I could cover this till I'm blue in the face. There's so many faces of SEO. And like I've showed you, like with article marketing does direct traffic and what I call indirect traffic. It can do the search engine optimization for you. It can get people clicking on your link and coming directly to your site, and then it can raise you up in the search engines and having all that free traffic coming from the search engines. I say free traffic. Search engine optimization is not free. Just because you're not having to pay to get yourself at the top doesn't mean you didn't have to pay the article writer $5 an article to write your 1,000 articles. You didn't have to pay to have all the links and stuff like that, so that you are ranking high in the search engines. It's not free traffic. Okay, that's something that's very misleading when people start talking about, oh, just do SEO and get your sites ranked and you'll get all the free traffic in the world. Guess what? The best people in the whole world teach you about SEO are I can't get it out of my head, the Stompernet Brothers band, because it's what Frank Kern calls them. It's the Stompernet guys. There we go. He calls them like the Stomper Brothers band or something like that. He's always got cute names for people, kind of like I do. But it's like $800 a month for their big thing, right? Is that free traffic to pay $800 a month for? No. And what about all that time you're going to have to put in? What about all that money to the outsources like we just talked about? SEO is not free. It's very time consuming, it's very hard, and it constantly changes. Okay? You guys use SEO. I know that. We've talked a lot about it. Hub pages, we talked about, kind of like squid lenses. List building, we've all talked about all the different ways to drive traffic with your list. Once you get people on your list, you can drive them to anything you want to. Anything you could possibly think of, you can send them to, as long as it's targeted. I know a gentleman that's in here right now, he and I talked earlier about if you have a niche that's related to massage therapy, you're not going to tell them about your bass fishing site. You only want to tell them about massage therapy related stuff. You don't have just like this one great big list and 20 niches and you just mass email, any product to them. You can't do it like that. It has to be very targeted.
Yeah, I even know a marketer that internet marketer, and he sent out people a link to a site that was a feel-good, inspirational, even had some religious tones to it. Almost like help build people up. He got a massive backlash, massive amount of people unsubscribing because that's not why they signed up for his list. They signed up for his list to learn, one topic and that's it. If they wanted inspirational videos or whatever, I guess they decided they could go somewhere else. Yeah, he had a massive backlash on that.
Wow. Blog commenting falls underneath the SEO category. You can get backlinks from commenting on other people's blogs. Find a blog that's related to your niche, go and leave your comment, leave a link. Pretty simple stuff. Content swapping. This is something that's really, really big in the blogosphere. That's what they call all the blogs. Is kind of like the world of blogs is the blogosphere. And is what a lot of the bloggers do there is they will swap content. You come blog on my blog today, you can leave a link on my blog, and I'll blog on your blog today, and you can leave a link on my blog. It's kind of like joint venture blogging. Something that I'm just starting to really see, and it's going to become huge. It's the next big thing.
Yeah, we've never done that before.
There would be a side example of that.
If you go to copyblogger.com, copyblogger.com's awesome. Learn lots and lots of cool stuff from him. I can't even remember his name. He's branded himself as the copy blogger, and I can't even remember his name. Does an awesome job with his blog. Social bookmarking, there's a lot of great tools out there, software products, that will give you tons of backlinks if you bookmark your sites. Remember when we talked about the video sites? You develop 10 personas that have accounts with 10 different social bookmarking sites, so you get 100 times the effort. That's the only way I do social bookmarking is with software that'll automatically do it for me. Twitter, the way I'm using Twitter with my niches is with Ashley Barnes. I am using a program that I won't reveal the name of because they come and go so fast. Basically, is what you can do is you can set it on autopilot to automatically follow people. You can put in the keyword, like for me, we have one that's massage therapy. So you keyword massage therapy, it'll go through everybody's profiles, anything they've tweeted about, and it'll add them to this list. It's a queue list. And say, it goes out and it finds 1,000 people that have been talking about massage therapy or have something mentioned in their profile about massage therapy. And so is what it does is it adds however many a day I set it to. Right now I have it set to 200. So it adds 200, I follow 200 people a day. Usually when you follow somebody, they follow you back. And then as the way I have mine set is if they don't follow me back in like 3 or 4 days, I quit following them. It's all automated. Co-registration. There's been a couple of really good products that have come out about this. This is basically lead buying. Ad networks. There's tons of ad networks out there. Commission Junction is an ad network. If you can get in with these networks, it's not easy. You need to Google this kind of stuff. We don't have time to totally go into this. But if you can Google this stuff, getting on the ad networks, the big ones like Commission Junction, what are some of the big ones? CJ, is it Rocket ROI?
Yeah, like Hydra Network.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
if that's a CPA network too.
Yeah, those networks, if you can get a product and get your product on that network, you're set. Totally set, as long as you have a back end. Directories, another linking strategy. There is software out there that you can buy that will automatically submit your site to all the directories. There's a really cool software program out there right now. Again, I can't say names because these things come and go. But it's what it does is it'll say, okay, submit to the first 50 directories for this keyword. Submit to the next 50 directories for this keyword, because you never want to just go after one keyword. If Google sees you're just going for links for the word red, it's going to send up a red flag. If they see that you have 3 billion links for the word red, they're going to go, that's not natural. That's not natural. So you always want to change up how you're linking, what keyword you're using to link to your site, and even the pages. You need to be doing deep linking, which is not just linking to your domain.com, but also linking to all the little pages that are part of your name, your domain. Media buying. This is buying banner ads. People say that's not working. I totally disagree, especially in niches outside of the internet marketing niche. We pre-sold the bounty hunter. I'm in the bounty hunter niche. Some of you guys might not know that. But with the whole dog the bounty hunter thing, I started seeing that everybody wanted to learn how to become a bounty hunter. And I was like, well, I don't want to be a bounty hunter, but these people do. So I outsourced getting a bounty hunter product. We don't even, the sales page is taken down right now. You can go there and you can see the graphics and everything. But we pre-sold it just as a test. And we bought banner advertising, just random. I just typed in banner advertising. And out of like 3,000 clicks, we sold 2. And it cost me all of $10 to get those 3,000 clicks. 3,000 clicks. Yahoo Answers. Another link building thing. If you can go to Yahoo in the niche that you're in and answer people's questions, leave a little link to your site, you get good links from Yahoo. And so many more. The one big one that I want to talk to you guys about is the one that Jeff and I use the most, and that's affiliate program marketing. I'm going to show you guys what I do. Hope I can hold a marker.
Scribble it out if you want.
Do what?
I can try to draw it, or you want to attempt?
I'm going to attempt.
Liz hurt her hand, so she's a little gimpy.
Shoot. Here we go. Okay, so I have all these products in the internet marketing niche. We'll call it 15. It's a lot more than that. But we'll say 15 products in the internet marketing niche. And as what I have is an affiliate hub. This is that thing that Jeff copied off me, and seriously, and it's no, I mean, I don't care. I copy things off Jeff too. But both of us have an affiliate hub. As what our affiliate hub does is it's a squeeze page. And we drive people here, and we tell them we're going to teach them all about affiliate marketing. How are we going to teach them about affiliate marketing? By showing them how to promote our products. All the training in our affiliate hub is all about how to promote our own products. Of course, they can take what they've learned and promote